happy to kick us off, if you guys don't mind. I feel like, it's omnipresent now, especially with what's going on across the nation and the stance of solidarity even more globally. But the fact of the matter is, and it's sad to say, is that this misrepresentation, it's not new. I think our community in particular, we often feel that in the workplace, we have to modulate. We can't be our full, beautiful Black selves. And I think that has been something that I personally have had to navigate kind of delicately, trying to find a balance of being myself and a balance between sort of what is corporately, culturally acceptable. And so this is something that I continue to balance. What has been a sigh of relief for me is since leaving the associate finance analyst rotation program and taking a role, I was recruited and poached by a senior Black manager within Google Finance, brilliant fellow. His name's Coy Ross, Harvard undergrad, Carnegie Mellon MBA, and he's really taken me under his wing. And so to be managed by someone who looks like me and to see someone who is taking advantage of his position in the company. Since me, he's hired 4 other brothers and sisters, and like it's amazing. By and large, we probably have the greatest density of Black representation in all of Google Finance, and this is a trend that I don't see him stepping the brakes on anytime soon. And so I personally have seen increased representation within my working group, and that has done a lot for my it's done a lot for like my cognitive health and well-being within the working group. Speaking broadly about Google's response to these issues, I obviously biased, but I tend to believe that Google is by and large one of our greatest corporate allies. Most recently, they've dedicated $200 million to the movement. And so that is a sort of exogenous display of sort of how Google is supporting the Black community. And then internally, they've just launched a really comprehensive and robust internal review of our hiring, retention, and promotion policies as it relates to the Black community. And so I see Google putting its best foot forward to support the outer community as well as the inner communities.